Hi, this is Drew with the Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up lower yesterday, and they're lower so far this morning. Got harvest pressure definitely pressuring the markets right now, and also the fact that yield reports continue to come in really well, and weather is favorable for drying out grain, drying out fields that might be a little too wet to put a heavy combine in right now. Those three factors definitely sending the markets lower this morning. We did get some huge export sales announced this morning. I think it was 1.236 million metric tons sold to China for 2014-2015 delivery. It's likely that's a part of the 4.8 million metric tons that was announced on Monday evening. So it's to be expected that we'll see some large sales, but still some demand at these lower prices definitely isn't something that we're surprised to see, and we'll likely see more of as we continue lower. There were also corn sales of over 375,000 metric tons going to Mexico for 2014-2015 as well. So we are at lower prices right now. CME has noticed that, and they reduced margins for both corn and beans yesterday. So check out their website. You can get the specifics on the margin reduction there. But lower prices, we've seen a little less volatility as far as the daily movements go. The days of 30-40 cent moves being common in the soybean market have gone for now, at least. Haven't seen that in a while. And then coarse corn, we're at the levels we are now. We're not seeing the volatility we have seen in the past. So CME has taken note and lowered some margins for corn and soybeans. So other than that, that's all we've got for today. Again, you get some harvest pressure definitely trending the markets lower right now. Yield reports still coming in very impressive. Also the fact that the weather outlook's nearly ideal for drying out grain in fields. That's why we're seeing some pressure. So if you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.